In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move Asana task dates together with their dependent tasks. This is a handy skill to have, especially when you're managing complex projects and need to ensure that every task stays on track. By the end of this guide, you'll be adept at adjusting your timelines effortlessly, ensuring dependent tasks follow suit, which can help prevent any scheduling mishaps down the line. To get started, you'll want to navigate to your project within Asana and switch to the Gantt view. This view offers a visual timeline of your project tasks and is perfect for seeing how your tasks are interrelated. Once you're in this view, our next step is to adjust the project dependency options. These settings are crucial because they determine how changes in one task's schedule affect the others that depend on it. Look towards the top right of your screen, and you'll spot the Options button. Go ahead and click on it. By doing this, a drop-down menu will appear, providing several choices for managing your project. From this menu, you'll want to select the Project Dependency settings. Adjusting these settings can greatly impact the ease with which you manage your project timelines, so it's important to get them right. Inside the Project Dependency settings, you'll find an option to select Maintain Buffer. Selecting this option is key to our mission today. By choosing to maintain the buffer, you're instructing Asana to keep the spacing between your tasks consistent. This means that if you decide to move a task's date, Asana will automatically adjust the dependent tasks, keeping their scheduled intervals intact. It's a real lifesaver when you need to make changes without inadvertently throwing other tasks off schedule. Now that we've set things up properly, let's make those changes. Remaining in the Gantt view, you can click, hold, and drag your tasks to new dates, knowing that Asana will adjust the associated dependent tasks for you. This feature is particularly helpful for visualizing how changes affect your project as a whole, and ensures that all moving parts align smoothly with your updated schedule. And just like that, you're done. With these few simple steps, you've learned how to efficiently move Asana task dates along with their dependent tasks, maintaining the integrity of your project's schedule. This not only keeps your project timelines flexible, but also minimizes the risk of human error when shifting tasks around. Keep this technique in your project management toolkit for those times when your project's schedule needs to be adjusted. Thanks for tuning in, and happy project managing.